In 2007, more than 100 million people voted to declare the new 7 wonders of the world. The following list of 7 winners is presented without ranking and aims to represent global heritage. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in the world. Located at the northwest of Cusco, Peru, Machu Picchu is a testament of power and ingenuity of the Inca people. Built around the mid-15th century, Machu Picchu is a stunning example of the Incas' engineering feats. The Inca constructed Machu Picchu's palaces, temples, terraces, and infrastructure using stone, and without the help of wheels or tools made of steel or iron. Taj Mahal, India. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens or raised pathways, sunken flower beds, and a linear reflecting pool. The white marble structure represents several architectural styles, including Persian, Islamic, Turkish, and Indian. The Great Wall of China. Built between the 5th century BC and the 16th century, the Great Wall of China. It is a stone and earth fortification created to protect the borders of the Chinese Empire from invading Mongols. The Great Wall is actually a succession of multiple walls spanning approximately 4,000 miles, making it the world's longest man-made structure. The Roman Colosseum. Built between 70 AD and 80 AD, it was in use for some 500 years. The elliptical structure sat nearly 50,000 spectators who gathered to watch the gladiatorial events as well as other public spectacles including battle reenactments, animal hunts, and executions. Earthquakes and stone robbers have left the Colosseum in a state of ruin, but portions of the structure remain open to tourists. Its design still influences the construction of modern-day amphitheaters some 2,000 years later. Chichen Itza. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. This powerful city, a trading center for clothes, slaves, honey, and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200 and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. The most familiar ruin at the site is El Caracol, a sophisticated astronomical observatory. Christ the Redeemer statue. Christ the Redeemer statue has been looming over the Brazilians from the Corcovado mountain in an awe-inspiring state of eternal blessing since 1931. The 130-foot reinforced concrete and soapstone statue were designed by Eduardo Silva Costa. It cost approximately $250,000 to build. The statue has become an easily recognized icon for Rio and Brazil. Petra, Jordan. Declared a World Heritage Site in 1985. Petra was the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV. The members of the civilization proved to be early experts in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers, which helped create a pseudo-oasis. A number of incredible structures carved into stone, a 4,000-seat amphitheater, and the Eldia Monastery have also helped the site earn its fame. So these are 7 wonders of the world. If you have any queries, want to share your views or experience, please do comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.